Pogea Racing is the latest aftermarket outfit to throw its hat in the Ferrari Purosangue tuning ring, and like every other attempt we've seen so far, its design is arguably no better than what leaves the famed Maranello gates. Or is it? By deleting the dark carbon elements around the wheels and slamming the Ferrari Utility Vehicle, not an SUV, says Maranello, it looks more like what we all hoped the Ferrari Purosangue SUV would be, a sleek and sexy station wagon. The images you see here are clearly no more than digital renders for the time being, possibly because nobody has committed to chopping up such a low-volume machine, but let's see what will happen if one brave customer decides to break the unwritten rules of Ferrari ownership. 23-inch front and 24-inch rear forged wheels from Jules are wrapped in Michelin rubber to fill the voluminous arches, which have been mildly widened. Aft of the front fenders, a new set of vents appear, but it's unclear if these will be functional in any way. With widened fenders, you need widened fascias, and the front and rear bumpers are new items, complete with a carbon fiber splitter up front and a new carbon diffuser at the rear. The latter integrates a new central exhaust exit with 4 tips. The rocker panels have also been reworked and feature carbon extensions at the rear. Completing the obvious changes is a reduction in ride height courtesy of KW suspensions, but as good as KW's work is, it's sacrilege to undo the work that Multimatic carried out to create arguably one of the most advanced suspension systems ever fitted to a production car. Then again, it's a sacrifice worth making if you want a Ferrari wagon and can't get your hands on the elusive 456 Venice GT. Pogea has not detailed changes to the interior but says that this will be dressed with additional carbon fiber and leather. The tuner also hasn't given exact details on performance upgrades but does promise that the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 will improve on its factory output of 715 horsepower to offer as much as 820 horsepower. This will be achieved with the aid of turbocharging, completing the Purosangue's total transformation from Maranello's original vision. Pogea Racing has lots of experience with modifying Italian cars, including Alfa Romeos, Abarths, and yes, Ferraris. Whether any of the lucky Purosangue buyers choose to avail themselves of this comprehensive reimagining remains to be seen.